Good morning, children. From today onward, we are going to incorporate our moral science book also in our study material, as it is an significant subject which inculcates moral values in us. So let us start discussion on our first chapter, Love You God, God Help Those Who Help Themselves. The chapter begins with a very touching poem, which expresses the importance of prayer in human being's life. So I am going to read the poem. Please pay attention, children. I got up early one morning and rushed right into the day. Rushed right into the day means started day hurriedly. I had so much to accomplish, means I had so much to do, to achieve, and I didn't have time to pray. Problems just stumbled about me, means problems surrounded me from all around, and heavier came each task. Why doesn't God help me? I wondered. He answered. Who is He? God. God answered, You didn't ask. I wanted to see joy and beauty, but the day toiled on grey and bleak. Bleak means dark. You can say sad. I wondered why God didn't show me. He said, But you didn't seek. I tried to come into God's presence. I used all my eyes at the lock. God gently and lovingly chided. Chided means scolded, dantna. My child, you didn't knock. I woke up early this morning and paused before entering the day. Means I waited. I gave some time to the daily prayer before starting the day today. And I had so much to accomplish that I had to take time to pray. So this day the child is saying that he before starting the day he gave some moments to the daily prayer. Now after the poem your chapter will start, children. The chapter is based on the same theme, importance of prayer in our day-to-day life. I have sent you scanned pages of the chapter. You go through it from there. Here I have written the simple description of the chapter for you. So let's read it. The chapter is about the ruler named Napoleon. He has returned with his army from Russia after being defeated. This is night time now. All soldiers are extremely tired and exhausted, so all are resting and sleeping in the cold winter night, wrapped in the layers of blanket in their cabins. But one soldier, whose name is General Braut, is still awake. He is not sleeping. He is praying, in fact. When Napoleon asked him about being awakened till late last night, he says he was praying because he never spends any day without doing prayer. At this, Napoleon appreciates him highly. So this motivational poem introduces this story to discuss thoroughly the importance of prayer in our life, which is described in the chapter as talking to God and sharing problems with God. Okay? Prayer to God is described in the chapter as talking to God or sharing problems with God. With praying, we can thank God for all that He has done for us. God always hears our prayers and answers. He knows what is best for us, so we must pray to Him and trust Him, as prayers also provide us with enough strength to face all hardships of life. This was all about your chapter, students. I hope you understood the chapter properly. Go through it from the scanned pages which I have sent you. Thank you.